Welcome to Drive Dynamic, your destination for everything that moves with power, style, and innovation. If it's built to impress on the road, we bring it straight to you, no fluff, just pure driving passion. And today we have something that's going to redefine your understanding of luxury, mobility, and technology all in one package. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a rolling statement. Let's dive into the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome, a masterpiece that merges the prestige of a three-pointed star with the freedom of the open road. Mercedes-Benz is no stranger to redefining the standards of luxury and performance. But the 2026 Motorhome takes things to an entirely new level. From the outside, you immediately sense this is not your average RV. It's sculpted with sleek, aerodynamic lines that are inspired by Mercedes' design language found in their flagship sedans and SUVs. The LED light bar that stretches across the front adds a futuristic character, while the bold grille, adorned with a glowing emblem, proudly displays its pedigree. Built on a reinforced chassis derived from the Sprinter platform but heavily modified, this motorhome measures just over 30 feet in length. But don't let the size intimidate you. Mercedes engineers have ensured it's just as easy to maneuver as one of their SUVs, thanks to advanced rear-wheel steering and adaptive air suspension. At highway speeds, the suspension lowers for improved aerodynamics and stability. At slower speeds, it rises for ground clearance and smooth handling even on rougher terrains, powering this luxurious land. Yacht is a hybrid powertrain designed for performance and sustainability. It pairs a turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine with Mercedes' fourth-generation electric drive system. Together, they produce a combined output of around 500 horsepower. This allows the motorhome to cruise effortlessly on highways and even tackle steep inclines without breaking a sweat. For shorter trips and city driving, the EV-only mode offers up to 100 miles of silent, emission-free driving. Fast charging capabilities mean you can recharge up to 80% in under 30 minutes. Now let's step inside, where the real magic happens. The moment the doors slide open, you're greeted with an interior that feels more like a luxury penthouse suite than a motorhome. Every material, every surface has been selected with precision real wood veneers, hand-stitched Napa leather, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting that wraps throughout the cabin. The layout is both elegant and functional. The living area features a full-sized L-shaped sofa with built-in massage and heating functions. A retractable 55-inch-old TV rises from the console, complete with a Burmester 3D surround sound system that fills the cabin with rich, immersive audio. Large panoramic windows provide stunning views of your surroundings. Whether you're parked by the ocean or deep in the mountains, the kitchen area is fitted with high-end appliances, an induction cooktop, a smart refrigerator, a built-in coffee machine, and even a compact wine cooler. Countertops are made of recycled quartz, continuing the eco-luxury theme that flows throughout the vehicle. Soft closed drawers, overhead cabinets with LED lighting, and intelligent storage solutions make this a fully functional gourmet space. Toward the rear, you'll find a private bedroom that wouldn't be out of place in a five-star hotel. A queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, surround ambient lighting, blackout shades, and individual climate zones ensure complete rest and relaxation. Overhead skylights provide stargazing opportunities without ever leaving your bed. The attached bathroom features a rainfall shower with teak flooring, a smart toilet, and even a vanity mirror with integrated skincare sensors. But this is more than just a fancy RV, it's smart. The entire motorhome is powered by Mercedes-Benz's MBUX Hyper Smart system, a step beyond even what you'd find in their high-end sedans. You can control every function of the motorhome: lighting, temperature, blinds, appliances, navigation, entertainment, even the scent diffuser through voice commands, the central touchscreen, or your smartphone. There's even AI-powered predictive automation. If you regularly lower the lights at sunset and play relaxing music, the system learns and starts doing it automatically. Safety and connectivity are also top priorities. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome comes standard with Level 3 autonomous driving on highways. enhanced adaptive cruise control, active lane keeping, 360-degree cameras, and real-time satellite-linked navigation with terrain awareness. It even includes a drone that can be deployed from the roof to scout your surroundings or help with parking in tight spaces. There's no shortage of features for those who live and work on the go. The workspace module includes a motorized desk, high-speed, satellite internet, and a privacy screen, all configurable for remote work or meetings. With solar panels integrated into the roof and a built-in battery bank, you can stay off-grid for days without sacrificing comfort or connectivity. And because Mercedes-Benz is committed to sustainability, over 80% of the interior components are made from recycled or renewable materials. The hybrid powertrain significantly reduces fuel consumption, while the solar and energy recovery systems ensure the vehicle is as self-sufficient as possible. What about pricing? Well, as you might expect from something carrying both the Mercedes badge and the promise of luxury living, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome starts at around $450,000, fully loaded. With all premium packages and customization options, it can reach over $600,000. Expensive? Absolutely. But for those who demand the best and want to explore the world without compromise, it's an investment in freedom, style, and sophistication. In a world where travel is being reimagined, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Motorhome represents the ultimate expression of mobile luxury. It's not just about getting from one place to another. It's about enjoying every moment of the journey, surrounded by technology, comfort, and the unmistakable DNA of one of the world's most iconic automotive brands. Whether you're planning a cross-country tour, escaping to nature for weeks, or simply enjoying the comforts of home wherever you go, this motorhome proves that you don't have to leave luxury behind. In fact, with Mercedes-Benz, it travels with you. Thanks for watching Drive Dynamic. If you enjoyed this tour into the future of luxury travel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews, first looks, and everything automotive. Until next time, keep driving with purpose and passion.